Hello and welcome. Today I've got for you this Dethleffs Just 90 T6762 motorhome. This is in the 7-meter class at 696 centimeters in length, 233 in width, 294 in height. It costs 83,000 euros, and you say it's 82,891. Yes, but you're gonna have to put some fuel in it, and I've just changed everything, but never mind. I'll turn that off up there and back on here. And 3.5 ton basis, it'll give you around half a ton, 500 kilos of payload approximately, 2 or 4 sleeping places. You can see 2 inside, and let's have a look at it. Now what this has got, this is this big lounge. Look at that enormous table there. You can make 2 sleeping places as an option by using these chairs down here. And up there you've got your main sleeping, so by pushing the bed into the roof it gives you so much space. This enormous kitchen, and at the back is the pièce de résistance. It is the dressing room. This is a genuine dressing room in a 7-meter van, and it's a genuine dressing room because here at the back we have got this enormous wardrobe. So you've got all of this space on the shelves for clothes and other stuff you might want to carry with you. A long bar to hang up your stuff with. Bar's that the right word? Rail, that's the right word, sorry. The bar, you can keep your bar stuff in here as well. Absolutely outstanding in my opinion. And bear in mind, when you're traveling, you probably do want to take some stuff with you. At least that's what I find. I tend to take a pile of stuff with me. Here is the garage, access to the garage from inside. So if you want to get something out the garage, it isn't too difficult. Might be useful if it's pouring with rain or something like that. Down here we have got the shower, 2 drainage holes, and we have a anti-slip surface. Most of them these days do give this anti-slip things though as well. And that is a look up there. We have the now traditional rail for hanging your towels on. Also makes great place to get your socks dry. And in here, down here on the floor, we have a space in the double floor. Now this bit at the back, as you've noticed, has been raised. There's me in the mirror standing up there, and as you can see there's a bit of space there. But what about space under the bed? Well, fortunately, as that mirror's there, I shall demonstrate. I'm now standing under the bed, and once more, I am 175 centimeters in height. So you can see from that we've got clearance of approximately 192 or something like that, I presume, something along those lines. Next we have a fridge. You've got storage below it. We have got here 2 burners, which is now the in thing. You wouldn't want to be seen with 3 burners anywhere these days. Oh no, that is so passé. And there we have the sink. Under here we've got some drawers, as it's the Hymer group. We've got there, don't bother to put proper sides to them. I do appreciate that that does make a difference in the weight, and every gram maybe does have some importance. But when I'm driving along the road, I don't want all of my stuff falling out and ending up on. Oh, that does have proper drawers on it, sorry. Oh, so does falling out. Yeah, here you go. You see, look, it only goes that high. So what can you actually put in it? All right. So then what happens is stuff falls out as you're moving. Make that point, because it seems to me as though others aren't making it. The seats here will, if you really want them to, make a bed, as I said earlier, and that bit there is the bit which you'll use to make the bed with. can't demonstrate it right now though, because if it has that option or not, I don't know. Huge table, huge amount of space down there. So imagine if you're living in a vehicle, you know, this could be what you want. You might want stacks of space. You might want not feel claustrophobic. You've got stacks of space at the back for storage, and this I think would work for many people. What happens if the thing gets stuck and it doesn't actually come down? Yes, that can happen, and it is a bit of a palaver to get the bed down. But one thing I would point out though, if it does get stuck, okay, it will ruin the use of a bit of your van inside, but it's not going to stop you driving it to a place where it can be repaired, unlike those which are descend down from the top over the driving position. Good. And so I think I've given you a reasonable overview of this vehicle. Comes with a television. And so what do you think? Do you think it's good use of space or not? You can see what's going on with your water, your electricity, etc. You can turn your heating on up there. Let's have a turn around right now. And at the back, we've already seen the fact that there is a garage here, which I'll open from here if I can. If I can't, then I can't. Well, so far so good. There you go. There's the size of the garage. I think you'd get 2 bicycles in there, I think, if you want them. There is the door we saw from the inside, and we've got these lashing straps down there. Very handy for stopping things from not moving around internally. There's your toilet cassette, and there's a bit of space in there to keep whatever you're throwing into your toilet cassette, you know, your tabs or whatever, gel or whatever it is you're putting in there. All right, I didn't mention it's on a Citroen, and if you want more information on it, you will find it in the description below. Now, here I am at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart, and as you can see, there are lots and lots of other vehicles here for your perusal, which I'm filming. And now obviously this event will be well and truly over by the time I upload this. Having said that, there will be one next year, and the year after that, and the year after that. So this gives you a bit of an idea of what you can actually see here. And this is just on the Dethleffs stand. Oh, isn't that nice? So see stacks of stuff here. It's Dusseldorf Dethleffs had a huge haul, absolutely enormous. And here I think there's a bit more pressure on space, and so but they're always in this position anyway. And you may say, what is the point of advertising in the current market, as everything that can be produced is sold? They don't need to advertise, they don't need to exhibit at present. Anyway, so that gives you an idea. Thanks very much for watching. I think it's an interesting vehicle. I'd like to take it out for a couple of months or something. I don't think it would suit me, but I do realize it would suit lots and lots of people. The only niggling little one factor is, of course, the bed. What if it doesn't work? One day I'm going to have to do a video showing you what happens, how to get it up manually. But I'm going to have to do that with a professional who knows what he's doing from the company that manufactures it. But until that day comes, thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf. And not Dusseldorf, Stuttgart, sorry.